5 Pro Trick Shots. Never lose again. Wait for next.
In this situation, use right spin. In this situation, use left spin.
Wait for next.
When two balls are in a straight line, playing like this is wrong. Instead, aim at the center of the object ball, then move the cue stick towards the top right.
Wait for next.
Step 1. Cross the cue stick over the object ball towards the cushion. Step 2. Move the cue towards the opposite corner pocket. Step 3. From the center of the pink ball to the opposite side, leave a mark. Step 4. Align the cue stick from the mark towards the cushion, aiming at the target point.